On the annual Ranotsav festival has turned the barren white desert of India's Kutch into a vibrant cultural hub. The event, which will go on till February 28th, has not only boosted tourism but also provided significant economic opportunities for the local community. Take a look. The Run of Kutch dazzles with its shimmering white salt desert, vibrant culture and breathtaking sunsets. Since its launch in 2005 by then Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, the annual Ran Utsav has breathed new life into the region, turning it into a global cultural wonderland. This celebration of art, tradition and nature fuels the economy, draws travelers from around the world and transforms the silent desert into a bustling hub of color, music and joy.
पूरे रण उत्सव में हर एक एरिया में आप जाओगे तो आपको कच्छ की एक छाप दिखेगी, कच्छ का कल्चर दिखेगा, कच्छ की आर्ट दिखेगी। कहीं से भी गेस्ट आए, साउथ इंडिया से आए, नॉर्थ से आए, वेस्ट से आए, बट उसको इस जगह में आके ज़रूर लगेगा कि हम कच्छ में आए हैं।
The tent city, the centerpiece of the Ran Utsav, attracted 7.42 lakh tourists last year, generating over rupees 6 crore for craft stalls and rupees 1.36 crore for food stalls. This year, 400 tents with 3-star amenities has been set up to host tourists till February 28th next year.
In 2023-24 Ran Utsav, there was a total of 7.42 lakh visitors coming there. So that would have, translated into lots of employment opportunities, direct or indirect. For example, as a tourist guide, as someone who's providing them accommodation, maybe someone who is providing them transportation. So many ways that the locals would have, benefited out of this event.
What began as a 3-day event has transformed the once barren white desert into the world's longest festival and a vibrant tourist hotspot, embodying the saying, "If you haven't seen Kutch, you haven't seen anything."
2001 में जब भूकंप आया था, उसके बाद जो कच्छ की और भुज की जो हालत हुई थी, उसके बाद आज देखा जाए तो बहुत तरक्की और प्रगति हुई है। 80% से ज़्यादा जो इधर जो काम करते हैं, सब इधर के लोकल रोजगार है, जो टेंट सिटी में जो भी अपनी सर्विस दे रहे हैं, जो भी अपना सर्विस में काम कर रहे हैं, वो लोकल ही है। 80% उनको रोजगार मिल रहा है और इतना अच्छा सुंदर बनाया है कि प्रदर्शन भी बाहर से लोग, दूर से लोग देखने आ रहे हैं।
The influx of tourists to the Ran Utsav has benefited the local community, particularly artisans. The festival offers a global platform for Kutch's craftsmen to sell their creations, while Tent City hosts handloom and handicraft shops, creating employment opportunities. Cultural programs also provide a stage for local performers to showcase their talents.
और ये रण उत्सव लगने से ऐसा है कि सर यहाँ के लोग पहले बाहर नौकरी के लिए जाते थे, काम धंधे के लिए जाते, उसके लिए भी ये 4 महीने का हमको रोज़गार मिल गया, उसके लिए 12 महीने का हमारा काम हो जाता है उसके अंदर सर। इसके लिए मोदी जी का हम खूब धन्यवाद मानते हैं कि उन्होंने इतना बड़ा इवेंट यहाँ पे खड़ा करवाया।
The Ran Utsav, held annually in Kutch's White Desert, has become a major tourist attraction and a vital income source for the local community. It has created numerous job opportunities, with camel and horse owners guiding tourists through the desert and remote areas, improving their livelihoods and economic conditions.